So Apple is canceling the iPhone X, but is it already time to say goodbye to the iPhone X? How's it going, guys? You're watching Drew Daily. I'm Andrew. Acclaimed KGI securities analyst said disappointing sales for the iPhone X could lead to the cancellation of the model. With the production possibly ending this summer, this will be the first time Apple canceled the production of a phone since it ended the iPhone 5C in 2014, according to Forbes. Forbes writer Gordon Kelly said that canceling the iPhone X might be a smart move since its design will remain a flagship option. The 6.1-inch model is priced like the iPhone 8 rather than being discounted at 1 year old. But what are the 2018 iPhone rumors so far? Apple has yet to unveil the iPhone 8, but the latest rumors of its 2008 smartphone might have already hit the web. In August, rumors from the supply chain said the iPhone 9 will be available in 2 sizes, including one with a massive screen that would be Apple's biggest yet. The Plus size will reportedly have 6.46-inch screen and will be sold alongside a smaller 5.85-inch screen in a bid to compete with Samsung's Galaxy Note. Now, the security analyst for KGI Securities says Apple will release 3 new iPhone models, including a slightly cheaper 6.1-inch phone without a 3D touch. It could also release an updated iPhone X with a 5.8-inch OLED screen and a larger 6.5-inch OLED model, potentially called the iPhone X Plus. The 6.1-inch model phone will feature an aluminum frame similar to the iPhone 8, and the display will be an LCD panel instead of OLED, he predicted. The 6.5-inch iPhone X Plus will have a similar specifications as the current design, but an OLED display and 4 GB of RAM, he predicts. With all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to see more videos uploaded every Monday and Friday.